In this episode of Down the Road We Go, we continue our drive-through reviews of Yuma RV parks. So come along for the ride as down the road we go. Okay, we're gonna check out Fortuna Del Oro RV Park up here in the foothills. Should be a gate guard here, maybe. Not today. We'll go up here and see if we can find the office. That's the sports complex. Okay, so it's not the office. Where the office is.
Well, that's the lady right there.
Ma'am, could you tell us where the office is?
Yeah, it's actually if you go straight out there and turn right, and then you just take the next.
Oh, okay.
It's right in the office.
Okay, thank you.
Don't move, Dave.
I see you. Not real tight.
Basically, just grab it.
Open house. I've never seen a parking lot. You want to look in one?
Sure. That's what we got there.
Crutch.
This one's got a place for a stack.
Yeah, probably got just as much room, if not more.
New home, 59.9.
That first one of them was 73.
This is a 2017 that's seated. You get 1 year free rent, 59,000.
Caravan RV Park, still out in the foothills. Spots are actually bigger than the last place. What do you think? You think it's bigger? They don't know how to use their Roundup though. How much did you say it was?
$11.95 for 3 months.
This place is $11.95. Oh, and I get speed bumps. That rules that out. $11.95 for 3 months. I guess it would be the season. Here's the main hall. Something going on there today. Apparently the wind is blowing from the trees. What do we think, ladies and gentlemen?
Pretty tight.
A little tight back here? Yep. Let's go down here. kind of, you know, this is our opinions as we're driving through, and we're just kind of showing you what they look like, you know, how much room, whether they're clean or not, and you know, you just got to make up your mind how much you want to spend and where you want to stay. Over here, it looks like mostly the RVs, a lot of space, a lot of empty space. Again, this is in the foothills outside of Yuma, off of 8. Caravan RV Park. Nice cactus. Yeah, it's huge. Okay, this is Sundance Resort, just down the street from that other one we were in, out in the foothills of Yuma. So let's take a look around. Yeah, this one's pretty tight. Really, there's no place to even park your vehicles. Being out in this area, it's probably anywhere from 6 to 8, 850, something like that. Go down this way. It sort of does. This looks like the swimming pool area and stuff, but there's some park models. Take his door off. Boy, is it tight. Left turn only. Down here looks like all park model row. It's a nice looking place to sit out and enjoy the sun. Okay, this is Blue Sky RV Resort. We're still up in the foothills, Fortuna, in other words, east of Yuma a little bit. Oh, there's the office. We should have pulled in there. Drive through, or you want us to get out? Look. Drive through. It's not real big, but this, you know, it looks like it's at least neat and clean. Dumpsters need dumping. Yeah. It's been sitting there for a long time. I take that back on the night, neat and clean. Some spaces are, some spaces aren't. We hope you enjoyed a look at just some of the Yuma RV parks. You know, the locals say that the population almost doubles in the city during the winter, and they really do like the snowbirds coming there. Like I said, it was just a small portion of the RV parks that are available in Yuma, so always look up on the web and call ahead. I'm sure you could always find a place to stay. There's thousands upon thousands of spaces. So thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. In our next episode of Down the Road We Go take a look at the Yuma Proving Grounds, which are out east and a little bit north off of 95. So come along for the ride as Down the Road We Go. Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. If you're new to our channel or you just want to make sure you see all our videos, make sure you click the little subscribe button on our logo, and make sure also you ring the little bell, and that way YouTube will notify you whenever we put up a new video. So thanks for coming along for the ride as Down the Road We Go.